Okay, we just came for new project. This is the unique model designed by SHEMSS. Let's look inside. Above garage, we have a separate unit. The unit 1 above garage. The front door right here. The main house and the main entrance is right here. You go right away to the open concept. So you have kitchen, island, dining table, living room, fireplace with both sides. Here we go. It's gonna be see-through. Okay, we'll be sitting in a decking area with family, drinking wine and enjoy the view and beautiful of Tahoe. The huge door, it's pocket door. It slides in 3 sections. It slides in all the way inside to the fireplace wall, inside going. So it's 10-foot door and slide in inside to the fireplace. This is the first living space. What this mean? So kitchen and master suite, it's downstairs. So you can see it on the floor, we have plywood. It's 1 inch, 1/8, and the top has it aluminum, and we have grips. Those things is trucks for water. This is heat floor system. We're not gonna be have it here HVAC at all. It's gonna be heat floor whole house. Alrighty. We keep it couple walls, you can see it. Let's say this wall between those 2 windows, you can put bar area, you can put the picture of Tahoe. And behind you here, we have a wall, it's for TV. And above TV, we have window, picture window. Yeah! Okay, let's follow me for master bedroom. So, what about master bedroom? Here is bath, master bath. Privacy, toilet, shower, 6 feet and 6 inches, and freestanding bathtub. Right here goes. 2 sinks, vanity. I don't know if you see the movie, the Tony Montana. Remember the last scene where the mafia came to his house, and his house is like huge and 2 staircasing. So the main entrance of the house and the purpose of the house, kind of the stairs, it's like main area. The stairs is main area of the house. Here it's not. If you come over to the front door, you see the open concept. You see the kitchen, dining, living, fireplace, deck. Where is the stairs? Stairs is behind it. Right here it's stairs. By the way, it's here, it's pantry. And let's go to the top. So we are here at the family room. It's family room, good size, not bad. Has 4 windows, has a TV. Here it has another 1 bedroom, right here. 2 windows, walk-in closet. Here we have another 1 bath. Here we have toilet, bathtub, 2 sinks, and right here another 1 bedroom. The door goes this way. We have bedroom with huge window and closet. Let's go to the unit. So we go downstairs. Alrighty. Man, I'm so excited. I want to see this finished product. We are at the entrance, the 2nd unit. You open the front door. Behind it, it's going to be closet for coat and for shoes. Let's go to upstairs. We have 4 windows here. 1, 2, 3, if we're ready, pass. 4. So right here, this is our unit. Again, it's open concept with huge ceiling, voltage ceiling. So here we have kitchen, table, couches, bath, full bath, and bedroom. Look at that, nice view, 4 windows. We have 4 windows, high ceiling, closet, and bedroom here. You just lay down like this and chill. Those windows, it's going to be creating a lot of natural lighting. Let's go downstairs. I like using a lot of windows. A lot of windows because around me, a lot of trees, a lot of mountains and beautiful Tahoe. Hey, hi, let's go. About unit we have, let's say bedroom has 4 windows because we have huge ceiling. It's almost 13 feet high. Here in the entrance where the staircasing, we have 4 windows, like I said. We have 2 small and 2 over there. This one area, it's 12 feet ceiling, it's living room. We have window, and the top windows. So here windows. Again, it's a lot of windows, but I'm always looking the privacy. The privacy is very important also. And what view you're getting is very important. This is gonna be in a kitchen. Let me jump in there. Watch me. So here it's island. You cooking, right? You have nice picture window all the way to bring transition like flowing to the floor. And this wall, I close this wall because we have street there. The cars going. So when you're chopping food, you're cooking, you don't want somebody distracting you. You don't want somebody looking at you, right? So you want to keep it the privacy. Let's come here. Hoppa. Watch your step. From this point of view, you can see it. The house has a huge 2 decks. Connect with both. Has a pocket door, a lot of windows, and fireplace. See through both sides. The idea of this model to bring outside to inside, inside to outside. When you open this door, you have a lot of windows, you have fireplace, you can sit outside in the decking area, you can enjoy it, listen to music, champagne or wine, and you can be with your family. We'll show you this finished product. It's still under construction, but I'm so excited about this model because it has so much potential. You can see it. So my question to you, if you want it, call us, SHEMSS.